It is currently 10 p.m. We are about to leave for our 9-hour Greyhound bus ride to San Francisco. And tomorrow we are departing from San Francisco Bay to Alaska. We are now on the ship, trying to find our room. Any thoughts? Okay guys, we made it to the room, finally, room tour. So this is the door that we came in from. Obviously this mirror, little fit check, okay. Behind me is the bathroom, but my mom's in there right now, so I'm not showing that. And then this is our cabin over here. Very cute. We have this big mirror with this TV and this view behind us. Let's see what's over here. Whoa. Wait, is that the fridge? No, I don't think so. It's too big to be, but it's so beautiful, guys. Whoa. Getting situated, I went to explore the ship by myself a little bit, went to the sail away party to just get a glimpse of what kind of people are gonna be there, and then I got ready for dinner, and this is on our way to the dinner. I wish I filmed the food, but the time is currently 9:55. I just got out of the shower. Also just took a nap. I'm sure you can probably tell my voice is really raspy. Me and my mom are about to pregame and then go hit the club. We have 30 minutes, guys. Let's see if we can make it. Come with me, we're pouring drinks. We have with us wine. I really don't know what's right. To be honest, I don't even care. We're done. Cheers. On our way to the club and karaoke, of course. Just did drunk karaoke with my mom. What do you have to say?
Crazy. Mamma mia, here we go again.
What are your thoughts? What are your how do you feel after doing that? It was a little bit nerve-wracking at first, right?
Now I'm feel perfect.
Exactly. See, that's what you get. So we are officially in Ketchikan, which is our first stop in Alaska. News of the morning, y'all. I lost 2 of my nails. So the first quest we have, the first side quest, since I am a professional side quest doer, is to find Gorilla Glue, I guess, is the closest thing to nail glue I could possibly find out here in Ketchikan, and ATV plus hiking tour. So excited to put that in. Alaska. We are still waiting to disembark, but while we are waiting, I want to say that I got my nail glue back on. Shout out Melanie, my queen on Crown Princess, and that I'm just excited to finally get out there early to our ATV tour because the clock went backwards and we forgot to turn it back, so now we're just kind of here an hour early, but we're taking some photos, enjoying the scenery of the capital of the salmon world, whatever it says on the sign. Ketchikan Adventure ATV tour. We finally made it. We're having a blast. I'm whipping it. These are our surroundings. And afterwards we're gonna have some reindeer hot dogs and chili. Long-awaited reward for riding these ATVs over here is a reindeer dog. Wiener dog. Wiener dog. Okay, taste test, guys. It's juicy. Who has boat? I missed you. Good morning from Juneau, Alaska. We finally made it. Today is the most fun day that we have planned. We're taking the private helicopter to go dog sledding. But guys, let's take a moment of appreciation for this beautiful view behind me. Isn't that something? I'll see you guys when we get there. We just finished the dog sledding, hanging out with the puppies. I'm gonna take a picture of what the 3 fish samplers are. I love Alaska. Shout out Alaska. I think this is also halibut. I don't know which one this is, but the last one I'm gonna give the second one a 9, and I'm gonna give this one an 8.5. So, in conclusion, the first one was like, but the last two, I'm definitely gonna eat them up right now, and then I'll do another video for the crepe after I finish eating the tacos. So, thank you guys for coming to my little mukbang. This is my mom. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Thank you so much. You too. Crepe time. This is what we have. This is what we're dealing with. It's berries and cream, like I said. The perfect thing after tacos. Okay. First bite. It's a little bit like the bread is like strange. It feels like Play-Doh.
Yeah, just try it.
Shout out Sautel crepes. Sautel crepes are lovely. The fish, was perfect. The fish was really good because it's like an Alaskan thing. Like fish is Alaska fish, whatever. But the crepe, what do you give it out of 10?
7.
I want to say 6.5. Yeah. Or maybe actually like, I'm between like 4 and 6 because I don't know where that scale like ends, but to say I loved it, I don't think so, but I think that I need a Chateau crepe when I get back. Doughboy that I've seen and heard on TikTok.